Welcome back, traders. On this week we are gonna be reviewing 5 pairs. So we're gonna be reviewing the most tradable pair in the world, Euro USD. Another pair that we're gonna be trading is USD JPY. Someone asked me to analyze USD JPY, so I'm gonna be giving it to you. Also gonna be analyzing GBP JPY, GBP USD, and gold. So this is what I want you to do, guys. I want you to stay with me. Even if you follow any of those 5 pairs, stay with me, because I'm gonna be breaking down each pair step by step here on our Forex Trading channel. And so once again, guys, we are doing our Forex weekly analysis for the week of June 6th to the 10th, trading here on TWEForexsystem.com. So let's get to work. Let me show you what the market has to offer. If you have any question, boom, let me know in the comment below. All right, so the first pair that we are gonna analyze today, it is GBP JPY. Pay close attention what this pair is gonna do, guys. It's very important for you to stay with me all the way. I'm gonna do it step by step because the goal here is for you to learn. All right, so GBP JPY, as we all know, is doing the following. Look at here, multiple time frame is telling us that we are in a buy position. Our TWE is also confirming that we are in a buy position. Look at the green arrows here, confirming buy. And where's the market doing? Market is in a buy position, right? So what you need to do is always pay attention to your dashboard. The dashboard will always be, it's going to give you the answer in real time. So if you pay attention here to 4 hours and 1 day, it's telling us, hey, we are on GBP JPY in a buy trend. So if it's in a buy trend, your goal is to come back here, look for the multiple time frame, then look for the TW sniper entry. If that is true, when the TW sniper entry showed up, it will create this stairs here, letting us know that we are going where? We are going up. When the market is selling, it will create this red stairs coming down, letting us know the previous trend was selling. So currently, right as we speak, the market here, it is in a buy position. So this is my understanding, guys. Market's still gonna be pushing another 15-20 more pips. Then what we're looking for here is we're looking for our red continuation red arrow to pop in on this location, saying, Irving, now you can enter on the market, but right now there is no there's nothing available for you to be on the market. Period. There's nothing. So in here we're looking for a pullback. So this sell position that we are expecting to see in this area here will give us a pullback. So pullback is going to be very strong, guys. It's going to come back and retest your 50 to your 38 Fibonacci level, because there is previous support and resistance in this area here. So this is a very key level on our Fibonacci levels here. Then market will continue on that buy position. Do not forget that the market this coming week, guys, the week of June 6th to the 10th, the market will be doing a pullback. So the original trend is bullish. All right, it's just gonna do a retracement. It's gonna take a break. All right. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next one, guys. Also, I want to let everybody know, guys, the following is very important. If you guys want to get this free trendline indicator here, it is free. I can give it to you. Send me a private message to my Telegram. The link is on the description of this video. Send me a private message and say, Irving, I would like to get the trend line. Can I have it? And I will go ahead and hand it over to you. Okay, it is free. So the benefit of using this trend line in here, that is magnifico. It works amazingly with our multiple time frame here. Look at here, boom, it came right on it. Multiple time frame touched the trend line, and what happened in that position, market took off. So right now the market is getting ready. Look at here, it's giving us a heads up. We trade with rules, guys. We do trade with rules. So that's what I'm expecting to see, the small push, but at the end of the day, the trend line is valid. So that's what I'm calling this week market that is gonna do a pullback. That's exactly what I explained. Okay, so let me know, or if you guys want a training, guys, exactly how you gonna be using this one, let me know in the comment below and I will make a video for you. Maybe I can make a few small videos. All right, so the next pair that I'm gonna trade, I'm gonna give you guys today, it is Euro USD. This is one of the most tradable pair in the world. Look at what I was explaining earlier, guys. Once again, if anyone here wants to get the hands on this free indicator here, the not the TWE, the trend line in here, look at here, trend line here, please let me know in the comment below and I will hand it over to you. All right, so the benefit, like I said, is when it look at multiple time frame comes right on the trend line, multiple time frame came right on the trend line, and what happened, look at what the market is doing. Boom, it took off and then market retraced. But if you guys want it, please let me know. But let's get to work. Let's go back to our our Forex trading analysis. Always pay attention to the dashboard. Look at what the dashboard is saying. What is 4 hours and 1 day stating on the dashboard? It's telling us, hey, we are on a buy position. If it's bullish, it means it's bullish. That's it. That's what the market is doing. That's what it's doing. So the next step you need to do is you need to find our multiple time frame to go in the same direction of our TWE sniper entry. So here it is. Look at here. Boom. It's saying what? It's saying that we are in a buy position. Look at the TWE. Boom. It's saying that we are in a buy position. Look at the stairs. Where's the stair going? Is the stair coming down or going up? Look at how simple multiple time frame is, guys. And look, everything is working exactly as it's supposed to be. Guys, please, if you do not know how to trade pullback, stay away from pullback. Overall, the market here is in a buy position. So if you do not know how to trade pullbacks, don't do it because market will crash you. So always go with the original trend. What's my understanding for this week, guys? This is what I want you to understand in here. This is what I'm seeing here. Market still gonna be pushing up. Still, most likely it's gonna come, maybe it's gonna come back to this previous red arrow here, which is fine, or either it's gonna come back and retest the trend line once again. Then we are looking this coming week for a small, pullback. So pullback still valid in here. So market still selling. Well, it will be selling this coming week. Look at the lower time frame. All the lower time frame are already selling. So, but it's not fully there on that sell position yet. It's the original trend still bullish. So what I'm expecting to see is the market to come back and retest your 50 to your 38 Fibonacci level, and then from there market will continue as a buy because I mean it's bullish. All right. What do you guys think so far, guys? What do you guys think? Guys, do me a favor, guys. It's very important for you to know is the following, guys. Do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. If you want me to help you how to trade, please let me know in the comment below and I will be more than happy to do so, okay? Oh yeah! All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next one, guys. The next pair that I'm gonna trade here, it is going to be GBP USD. I didn't want to tell you about this pair, guys, but I will be trading this GBP USD as a sell this coming week. It's gonna be a pullback. Hopefully, pay close attention to the chart, guys. I want you to kind of like become familiar with the trend, with the chart, because I mean look at the trend. The trend is so beautiful, going only in one direction. Now I'm gonna do it slowly, so the goal here is for you to understand, guys. Like I said, stay with me to the end. Even if you follow 1, 2, 3 or all 5 pairs that I'm giving you this week, you will be learning a lot. And another reminder, guys, summer is official. We are in summer, so the summer month is usually people pay less attention to the market because there's more holidays coming in, so there's less frequently investors on the market, so people sell their stocks and do a lot of selling. So to be honest, share prices tend to fall over the summer month. So If you are planning to take off, you're gonna because look, like just to give you an example, next month I will be taking off the entire month. I will give you only the first week of July, or maybe the second week of July. I'm gonna give you those 2 weeks on the analysis, and after that I'm gonna be traveling to multiple different countries, so you will not see me active on those time frame. All right, so pay close attention to USD JPY. Look at the dashboard. Boom, everything for 1 month to 30 minutes telling me, Irvin, we are going up. So the next thing is look at the dashboard. What's the dashboard saying? Dashboard saying that we are also in a buy position. Look at the TWE, brand new TWE this coming week, guys. We are in June. Happy June to everyone. Look at that. We are officially going where? We're going up. So the market here is still bullish. Still bullish. There's no intention yet whatsoever. The market has intention to retrace. Not there yet. Look at here. All I can say is the market still gonna be pushing up, retesting this previous 4 hours red arrow here, multiple time frame. There's a very nice evidence of the market coming back to this level here. Then we're gonna be looking for a beautiful red arrow here confirming that we are officially gonna be doing this pullback. So that's what I'm expecting to see in order for me to sell. I'm not gonna be selling. I don't trade on Sunday, guys. I will be trading most likely on Mondays. If you guys want me to make a video, guys, or want me to teach you how to trade, I had 2 traders that sent me a message last week. I have been so busy, and I will be most likely doing a one-on-one this coming Tuesday with those traders. There are 2 traders, so stay with me, guys. I will do that class for you on Tuesday, but we're gonna do it on Zoom, but we're gonna do it in private. We will not release that video to the YouTube world. We're just gonna keep it for our library. Okay, so market here will be selling during that retracement. They will continue as that buy position. All right, any questions so far, guys? Any question? All right, the next pair that I'm gonna give you here, guys, is gonna be GBP USD, and then I'm gonna give you gold. Okay, pay close attention to GBP USD. Look at the dashboard. Dashboard is clean, telling you what the market is doing. Everything it seems that is selling off, except the daily time frame is saying that we're still on that buy position. So now pay close attention to the multiple time frame with the dashboard, saying the exact same thing, saying that we are on that buy position. If the market is bullish, it's going up, why the dashboard is saying that we are selling? Look at here. Here's the sellers. Sellers are located on this area here. Let me go ahead and change the color of the arrow so you can see it. Let's do it in baby blue. Look at here. We're gonna highlight the multiple time frame here. Boom, saying that we are doing what? We are selling. So that sell represent, what do you guys think this sell represent here, guys? The goal here is for you to understand. If you guys not finding value, guys, on this video, please let me know, because my goal is to help you to become a most profitable trader. So I don't want you to spend on signal. I don't want you to paying a monthly fee. I want you to learn how to trade for free here on our multiple time frame. Guys, do me a favor, share this video with the world, share it with the other platform, and say, hey, trade this with multiple time frame. Let me know. So what we're looking for here, guys, is one thing. Market on GBP USD is doing a pullback. Pullback equal what? Equal sell. That's what the market is doing, selling. Right now it's selling. So if I had to explain you this is what I'm gonna say, guys. So multiple time frame is saying, Urban, we are selling, which is true. Then what happened next is the market is making that retracement. Boom. Remember, the buyers are in charge. Buyers are in charge here. The multiple time frame come in here and said, nope, we're gonna continue on that buy position. So my weekly analysis for this week for GBP USD is the market still gonna come back and retest this multiple time frame in here. Then we'll continue on that buy position. Do not forget the market here is bullish. Okay. Then from there might do a retracement. So if you guys want me to do Before and after, let me know also, because I haven't done it, because you know, I was like, you know what, let me go active, let me go live on YouTube, and I don't know if doing a before and after is worth it to you, or going live on YouTube so you can ask real question in real time. All right. And once again, guys, always remember the share prices tend to fall over the summer month. So a lot of fund manager and big institution traders go on holidays, like I mentioned early. They often sell some of the share and all the assets before they do go away. So always remember that we are in summer, so there will be less, you know, less activity on the market. All right, fair enough. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next pair of the week. The next pair that we have here, it is gold. So gold, it is one of the most tradable pair in the world as well. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard do not lie here. Look at multiple daily and 4 hours. It's saying what? It's saying that we are on the buy position. Look at that. 4 hours and daily. Irvin, we are bullish. Look at the dashboard. I'm sorry, look at the multiple time frame with the TWE. Bullish, bullish. Look at what the trend is doing. Multiple time frame continuation in there. Look at here, buy, buy, and boom, market is going up. So this week, all I can say is the market is still gonna push back up, retesting this trend line here, previous multiple time frame once again. Then it will make a small retracement. Overall, market will continue on that buy position, because market here, it is bullish. Okay, please guys, don't, be careful. If you got planning to trade gold as a sell, be careful, because there's no sell position on the market yet on gold. Okay, so I want you to remember that, because I don't want, to be honest, I really don't want you to blow your account, because you're gonna regret it, and then you're gonna say, oh my god, Irvin, the market got me. All right, any question, guys? Any question? All we're doing today, guys, we are doing here our Forex weekly analysis for the week of June 6th to the 10th. I want to thank everybody for watching, and I will see you back on the next video. Don't forget to share this video with your other fellow traders, social media, whoever you want, and be sure to subscribe. Remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys back on our next video. Peace out, guys. Love you guys. Bye-bye.